Hello everyone, myself Nitin and I complete my graduation and post graduation also with good percentage and uh, I have teaching experience of 3 year and I love to teach student and my hobby is playing cricket, dance and teach student of many more things with a good way. And why I become a teacher on Vedantu? Because I first upon I love to teach student. Second, Vedantu is a good platform to teach students and interactive with very good way. And Vedantu is a very large platform. Many teachers came and teach students, and I also decided to uh, teach student on Vedantu. Vedantu is a very trusted platform. That's why I come to Vedantu to become a teacher. Today's our topic is tense. In tense is three types: present, past and future. In present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. In past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. In future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. In present, helping verb is do does, past continuous helping verb is mr, present indefinite helping verb is do does, present continuous helping verb is mr, present perfect helping verb is have, has and present perfect continuous helping verb is have been, has been. In past indefinite helping verb is did, past continuous helping verb is was, were, past perfect helping verb is had and past perfect continuous helping verb is had been. In future indefinite helping verb is shall, will, future continuous helping verb is shall be, will be, future perfect helping verb is shall have, will have and future perfect continuous helping verb is shall have been and will have been. In present indefinite, present indefinite helping verb is do does. In do, I, we, you, they and other plural subject, does, he, she, it, other singular subject. And present continuous is mr, is with singular subject am, only I and are with plural subject. Have, has, present perfect to have, I, we, you, they, other plural subject and has, he, she, it, other singular subject. And present perfect continuous have been or has been. Have been, I, we, you, they, other plural subject, has, he, she, it, other singular subject. Past indefinite, in past indefinite helping verb is did with all subject. Past continuous helping verb is was, were, was with singular subject, were with plural subject. Singular, he, she, it, plural, I, we, you, they, other plural subject. Past perfect, in past perfect helping verb is had with all subject. Past perfect continuous helping verb is had been with all subject. Future indefinite shall, will, shall, I, we, will with other subject, all subject. Future continuous I will have, shall be, will be, shall, I, we, will, other subject. इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट shall have, will have, shall, I, we, will have, all subject, remaining all subject, and future perfect continuous shall have, will have. तो इस तरह से ये सारे होते हैं.